the sand breezes roll. Jesse James was a lad who killed the man. He robbed the Glendale train. When he stole from the rich and he gave to the poor, he had half a heart and a brain. Well, it was Robert Ford, that dirty little coward. I wonder how he feels now. 'Cause he ate of Jesse's bread and he slept on Jesse's bed and he lay poor Jesse in the ground. Let's go on. Jesse had a wife from all his life, 3 children, now they were brave. That dirty little coward, he shot me sour and he lay poor Jesse in his grave. Let's go. To the paw, never rob a woman or a child. And there never was a man with the law in his hands that could take Jesse James while alive. Here's the story. Well, it was Saturday night and the moon was shining bright. They robbed the Glendale train. All the people always say I'm from many miles away. It was the outlaws breaking to TJ. Jesse had a wife to more his life, 3 children, now they were brave. That dirty little coward, he shot me sound, and he lay poor just in his grave. Don't be when they heard of Jesse's death. They wondered how he'd ever come to fall. But it was Robert Ford, in fact, he shot Jesse in the back. Well, Jesse hung a picture on the wall. When Jesse went to rest with his hands on his chest, the devil upon his knee. He was born one day, I said, in the county clay, and he came from a solitary reed. Children, now they were brave. That dirty little coward that shot me sour, and he lay poor Jesse in his grave. Jesse had a wife to mourn his life, 3 children, now they were brave. That dirty little coward that shot me sour, and he lay poor Jesse in his grave. Well, Jesse had a wife to mourn his life, 3 children, now they were brave. That dirty little coward that shot me sour, they lay poor Jesse in his grave.
Grazie, buonasera.
Buonasera.
Io sono Gio, questa è Terza Classe.
Ciao.